Matt Banghart with Ready Chef Go Bags. The main purpose of today's training is to create a better awareness of the wide variety of bags that we offer under the Ready Chef Go brand, and to help you learn how to sell this effectively to your customers. With Ready Chef Go, you're selling a restaurant quality meal solution that can be cooked in the microwave or the oven in minutes with little mess or fuss. The first class that I'm going to talk about is what we call the Gourmet steam bags. These bags are a combination of a glassine or paper back and a PET or nylon front. They have an opening with a self-seal closure that creates a virtual leak-proof, odor-proof seal. During the cooking process, the adhesive will loosen and it'll self-vent so the bag does not burst. It also creates convection cooking inside of the bag. The bags come with either an unprinted bag or with print on it, available in two different colors. We have the black and we have the brown. We have multiple sizes, the 911. We also have 11 by 8. The reason this is most popular is because it has a wider opening that makes it easier to fill, and it also will contain roughly 1 pound of product, so it keeps a very competitive price point. These bags are also available in larger family or club sizes. This is a 9 by 16 bag, also available in a dual compartment bag, or what we call the no fishy touch of the veggie bag. This bag has the same self-seal closure, except there's a seal down the middle that separates the produce from the protein. We've recently developed an even larger version of the dual compartment bag. This is a 16 by 9, separates proteins from produce, yet in a larger club or family size offering. I'm going to quickly demonstrate how you assemble one of these meals. And there you have a great looking restaurant quality meal that can be cooked in minutes in the microwave or the oven. We've also developed a gourmet cooking bag in a bottom gusseted version. Like the flat bags, it also has a tape closure that you peel off and fold over. And here you have a finished version where you've created a value-added produce offering. We also make the cooking bags in a version designed for processors. There's no tape seal on the front. It is open-ended and it's designed to be heat sealed. They are available with print on the back or unprinted as well, in either brown or black. If you look closely, you will see there's a small seal here that allows the steam to release during the cooking process. The next group of products are our oven and barbecue bags. These are a foil back product with a PET or nylon front and a parchment layer in between. It absorbs any excess liquid from your protein. Like the other bags, it does have a tape closure. This requires a different seal though. Because it is a 3-layer film, it requires 2 folds. You would fold it once into the middle of the tape, remove the tape, and fold it a second time. This is the 9 by 12 bag, which is our most popular bag, but that's not a grill bag. That's a grill bag. In addition to 9 by 12, we have a longer 9 by 16, a 12 by 12, and the big daddy of them all, the 12 by 16. I'm going to demonstrate briefly how you can create a quick and easy meal in this bag as well. There's another great looking restaurant quality meal that can be cooked in minutes on the grill or in the oven. The latest offering in the Ready Chef Go line of bags is these new produce steam pouches. This is a 2.5 mil COPP material that is laser perfed to steam perfectly in the microwave. It is significantly less expensive, so it's a great way to create value in the produce aisle. We have 2 different sizes, both with complete cooking instructions on the back, and a larger version specifically designed for corn and squash. The smaller version with some asparagus, a commodity product turned into a value-added offering. Another great benefit of selling the Ready Chef Go products is there's very little competition for you in the marketplace. For more information, please visit us at our website or contact your local LK sales associate.